Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem gift cards on Cash App. First of all guys, this is going to be a really quick video. So why would you be wondering how to redeem gift cards that you were sent on Cash App? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe somebody sent you a Starbucks gift cards into your Cash App, but you are not sure how to get the codes or how to redeem it. Whatever the case, it's pretty much easy process. It's all handled here in the Cash App. So you just have to open your Cash App first, and after opening the Cash App, this is the home screen. If you are wondering how to redeem a gift card that was sent to you through Cash App, first thing right off the bat, you need to have a Cash App cash card. If you don't have a Cash App cash card yet, you just have to order the cash card as well. So the strange thing is with Cash App, when you receive a gift card, it's not like a regular gift card. You are not going to get like a gift card code. You are not going to receive a physical gift card or even a gift card number. So what's going to happen is the gift card is going to be added into your Cash App cash card. And how to see that? As you click right down here on this bottom left, this little credit card icon. Once you click there, you will see an image of your Cash App cash card. However, right below you will see image of whatever gift card you received. So for example, somebody sent you a Starbucks or a Walmart gift card. It's going to appear right below there. So one will say Starbucks, the other one will say Walmart, and it's going to show how much money you have on it. When you click on the gift card, it's not going to show you anything. It's not going to show a code. The only way to redeem it is by using your Cash App cash card. So for example, if I received a $10 Starbucks gift card, all I need to do is I just go to Starbucks. I'll buy a coffee like I normally would, but I need to use my Cash App cash card for the payment inside of Starbucks. So when they charge my Cash App card for, let's say, $5 for a mocha at Starbucks, rather than removing the money from my balance down here, it's going to take money automatically from my Starbucks gift card that is inside of my Cash App. So now you don't need to use the gift card inside of a store. A lot of times you can use it online. So for example, I was going to be buying Starbucks to be delivered to my house through the Starbucks website. Then I can go ahead and just pay with my Cash App card, and it's automatically going to receive the benefits of whatever gift card that you have attached. So it's almost like a credit. It's not really like a gift card, it's credit that is used before the money on your Cash App cash card is used. So basically all you would do is just to turn your gift card into Cash App on your Cash App card, and then just use your Cash App card, because it's basically the same thing. So basically, if you are waiting for a redeem code or a physical gift card or looking for your Starbucks gift card number, you are not going to find in here. That's the reason why, because you are basically just adding money into your Cash App cash card when you receive a gift card through Cash App. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.